Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Today I'm gonna do a little bit different and it is not gonna be a long video for sure. So today I just wanted to compare my two favorite mascaras from two different brands and see how it looks side by side. So I actually have my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Mascara. So I really love this. I mean, Maybelline mascaras are really good. Lash Sensation mascara is also really good, but I really like this one a lot. And my new favorite is the L'Oreal Very Different Unlimited mascara. So both are actually waterproof, and this blue packaging is the waterproof one and the normal one is in black packaging, and the handle moves. I mean, that's a different thing, but I really love this mascara. So I'll be trying both the mascaras on both my lashes and we'll see how it looks side by side. So we actually have that for today's video. I mean, this is not any new mascaras, but I really want to try out and see how it looks side by side. Yeah, that is actually gonna be all for today's video. So if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, makeup challenges, informative videos. So if you come across my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. Let's get into the video. So we actually have these two mascaras. So this is the Maybelline Big Shot Volume Express mascara. So this will give you a lot of volume. And then we have the L'Oreal Paris Very Different Unlimited mascaras. Now the Maybelline one is waterproof and it is very difficult to remove just with water. You really need oil based cleanser. I mean, you need all that to remove this mascara. And this L'Oreal one is waterproof, but it is so easy to remove. Even with water, it really comes off very easily. It comes off like in tubes and it is very easy to remove. I mean, there is not a lot of mess while removing this. Really love this because it gives me a really nice length to my mascara. So I really love the L'Oreal one. So the Volume Express mascara is for like $9.49, and this is the Big Shot Volumizing mascara for bold lashes in one coat. It features unique wavy bristles that cradle lashes while the collagen formula delivers bold volume. I'm just going to use like 2 coats because usually I do that. And the L'Oreal one is for $12.99. So it is instant lash lift effect and intense lengthening mascara. So this is not volumizing, but it is lengthening one, and inspired by the makeup artist hack of bending the mascara wand for added control and easy application. That is why the handle moves. Bendable handle makes it easy and precise to use your mascara. Stretchable formula glides on lashes to build up any look with no clumps or flakes. Waterproof mascara up to 24 hours. So I'll be using this also 2 coats. Now I'll just zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so firstly I am actually going to use the Maybelline one on my right eyes and the L'Oreal one on left eyes, and first we'll do just 1 coat and see how it is gonna perform. And please do avoid the face that I make because everyone does that. I don't think there is anyone who doesn't make that face. So yeah, let's just avoid that. So I'm just going to brush a little bit using this. I mean, I really got this from Amazon. It came in a pack of 50. I don't use it always, but sometimes when my mascara gets clumpy, I use this, and you can just use and throw it. On right side, I'm going to actually use the Maybelline one, and as you can see, the wand is so huge. Let's go. So that is 1 coat and it gives a really nice volume. It doesn't actually lengthen that much because it is a volumizing mascara, so it just gives a really nice volume. As you can see closely, I mean, I'll show you, it gives a really nice volume. I mean, that is for coat 1, so you can see it looks really nice. So I'm just going to coat 1 more time. I think 2 coats are more than enough. After 2 coats, it really gets a lot clumpy, so it is better to just use 2 coats, and I think 2 coats is more than enough. So I'm just going to do a second layer. So that is actually for second coat that I really love a lot. As you can see, that is actually for 2 coats, and after 2 coats it gets a little bit clumpy, so it's better to do just 2 coats. Now I'm just going to quickly do my lower lash line because why not. I need to start like using castor oil for my lashes. I mean, I've got like the empty mascara bottles to fill in castor oil and use it before sleeping, and I haven't done that. I think I got it during Ramadan and I haven't started using it, but I think I should just start like doing it. It's high time. Anyways, that is for lower lash line. It is really pretty. So that is actually for Maybelline side, so it actually looks really nice. Now going on to the left eyes, I'm actually going to use the L'Oreal Very Different Unlimited Mascara. This is how the wand is. You can actually like move the handle, but I actually like don't move it. But anyways, now this is actually a lengthening mascara, so it will not actually give me a lot of volume, but I just want to like try it out side by side how it looks. But I really love this mascara. It is giving me so much length. It is really nice. This also like gets clumpy after 2 coats, so better to use like 2 coats. So that is actually for the L'Oreal side. I mean, you can see it is lengthening one and my lashes look like pretty long. I mean, my lashes are not that long, so we actually have that for 1 coat, and you can see it is so long as compared to the Maybelline one. Now doing the second coat as well. I mean, actually like after second coat it gets clumpy, and you see it is like getting clumpy, so it is better like to do just 1 coat or 2 coats max to max. So that is actually for like 2 coats, and you can see it is like getting clumpy, so I'm just going to use this. So you can see this is looking so good. Now quickly I'll do my lower lash line as well, and please guys don't mind if you can hear if you can hear the voice of air conditioning. It is really loud. I can't really help it, and it is very hot. That too, I can't really help it. So that is for L'Oreal one. I really love both of them. I mean, really. For lengthening one also, this is amazing. Seriously, this is my first L'Oreal mascara. I mean, I really forgot what to say, but this is my first L'Oreal mascara, and trust me, I really love it a lot. It is very good. Both are one of my favorite, and maybe later on I'll do some other I'll compare like 2 other mascaras, and I'll do that as well. I don't have really high-end ones, so I really can't do that, but drugstore ones I'm gonna do maybe later on. Again, 2 of my favorite mascaras, but this is like 2 different thing, and I think the L'Oreal one looks much better. No, I think both of them looks really nice. It's totally up to you whether you like the lengthening one or volumizing one. I think it depends how the mascara looks on your lashes, but I mean, even I love the lengthening one. It is so good. I love the Maybelline Big Shot one, volumizing one. It is seriously so good. What do you think about this? I mean, everyone loves actually this mascara, but I haven't like heard a lot of things about this one. So whether you have tried this, I really love this, and this is how my eyes look. Which one actually like you prefer and which looks like better on me? Please let me know. This right one is the Maybelline one and the left one is the L'Oreal one. I think they both look really good. I mean, for the lengthening one also, I mean, it gives a good volume and good length. Maybelline doesn't actually give length, so it looks a little bit shorter than the L'Oreal one. So yeah guys, that was actually all for today's video. I just wanted to do a quick video comparing my 2 favorite mascaras, so I just quickly want to do that. So yeah guys, that was actually all for today's video. Let me know in the comments below which mascara do you prefer and which side do you prefer. Please do let me know in the comments below, and it would be a really great help if you could like comment. It really helps me out. So anyways guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comments below which videos you would like to see on my channel, and do let me know in the comments below which drugstore mascara is your favorite. Please do let me know in the comments below, so I can see if I haven't tried that out, I could like try it out for myself. So let me know in the comment section which mascara you love a lot, be it lengthening or volume, doesn't matter, but if you know any really good mascaras from drugstore, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.